How to split screen in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now this is actually quite simple to do. All we have to do really is start a timeline, so I'm going to do that now. Let's go ahead and put this one here, and yep, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go over to effects control and we're going to click our video. And then I'm just going to resize this one, say to 200 or maybe 150, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and put this at the side because I want this video to be somewhere around here. Now I'm going to go over to opacity and then click this one right here. Now that we have a new mask tool, we're just going to go ahead and resize this one to save 25%. I'm going to click here, and then we're somehow going to create our own mask. There you go. So now we have this one, right? So that's our first video. Now we're going to click this and I'm just going to remove the mask feather, and then I'm going to add another, say for example this thing here or this video. I'm going to add a video. All right, and then I'm just going to go over to effects control once again. I'm going to go ahead and click this clip and we're going to move this at the side, and we're just going to resize this. All right, say for example 90. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this down below. So basically I'm gonna rearrange them. So this is how it looks as of the moment. Now I'm going to click this once again. This is about taking picture. I'm going to put this a little bit more down there. All right, I'm going to add a third clip, which is going to be this one right here. Oops, no, this one I mean. Now I'm just going to drag the video again, put it here, and then we're going to go over to effects control once again. Now I'm going to put this still at the side. All right, just say for example somewhere like that. The next thing is just somehow rearranging this one. So there you go. Alright, so now we have something like this. Now the reason why I'm doing this one because I want to be able to see it. Now we're going to go back here and we're just going to go ahead and click the opacity, click this one. Now we are going to create this. So somehow we are going to mask this again. So now if we are going to return this back here, you should be able to see that now we have something like this. Now there is an option for you to remove the feather, just like what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to cut the rest because we don't need it. And here is what we have. So I'm going to full screen this one. All right, there you go. And that is how to split screen in Premiere Pro.